Well, hey, how y'all doing? Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park Air Modelers Club. Gonna do the maiden on the 64mm Rafale by FMS. Let's walk around the back of this beautiful thing. Okay, look at that. Is that not gorgeous? Gorgeous. All right, running in my mid rates, which is 75% throws over 15% expo, and low rates are 60% with 15% expo, and high rates are 90% throws with 15% expo all the way around. So I'm going to take off a mid rate, see how I like it. She does not have retracts, but she does have, the nose gear does have that oleo type suspension. So the canards are non-functional. They're just there for good looks. So all I've got to control her is rudder and elevon mixing. So here we go. Timer set for 3.5 minutes. Bring her by kind of slow. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I think I'm going to go to high rate.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Not bad at all. Come on, baby. Boy, she can. Oh, a little rough there. Should have had a little more power in there. I think I'm going to definitely take the ordnance off of her.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Now I'm gonna try taking the ordnance off of her. Yeah.
Motor off.
Motor off. Because it just seems, the ordnance seems to just give a lot of drag, and she's a good flying plane. Just doesn't seem like she has as much punch as I would expected her to have. So I'm going to take that ordnance off. And easy to land. Man, you just bring her in, let her kind of slightly high alpha in, boy, she'll settle right in. Motor's off, but look at the detail. Look at how beautiful this jet is. Man, I mean, it's just gorgeous. The scale detail, the fidelity on it. But yeah, I tell you what, that is a good flying plane right there. And it comes with a reflex. And to show you where I have everything, I'm running that Yahoo 2600 130C discharge graphene battery right there. There's the reflex, and there's my AR 620 right up front. So nice plane. You can see the OEO there. It's got a little bit of suspension there. But problem with hand launching this plane is it says the belly of it's designed to be hand launch, whereas you take the ordnance off and they've got this protection for the servos, but where do you grab the thing? There's just no place to really grab it, so it's just too wide. So that's the only design flaw I've seen, but other than that, man, what a beautiful plane. All right, folks, that is a 64mm FMS Rafale. Very impressed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget, folks, faith, family, and friends, and planes. Bye-bye.